Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about what we are witnessing in that courtroom. Ne? Wait and please listen very carefully because when the defense comes back, it's still Baloyi's time now. When they come back, everything is going to change. I see now why Ramsipile never touched the bank statement or the cell phone technical situations. He was very smart when it comes to that. He was very smart because he wanted Baloyi to use this one so that he can expose himself. That is my opinion. So that he can, oh my God, I didn't trust this. So that he can, what can expose himself, and also he can make sure that Baloyi, wherever he is, when he uses this, Ramsipile will start doing his cross-examination properly after Baloyi has fumbled everything. And it's working very well for Uramsa. At this point, it is working accordingly, exactly what Uramsipile wanted. Ubaloyi does not even see when he is being trapped. He is deep inside, and there's nothing that you can do now. There's no turning back. Right now, something is seriously wrong with everything that Baloyi is doing. We are sitting in a courtroom where the defense looks like it's fighting for the state side. I don't know if you understand me. Where the defense is being pushed to prove innocence beyond reasonable doubt, when that has never been the case in South African law. And what I'm trying to say is that let's just wait and see what the defense is going to do. Because when they return, they won't argue, they will expose contradictions. They are coming with, I'm sure, table A, table B, side by side, timestamps, cold data that is going to show that these are lies, these are lies. And that's when it will hit. You are going to see all of that happening at once. You will see call happening at the exact same time as a police was busy with the phone of that. You will see all of those, an outgoing call matching an incoming call, different numbers, same seconds. You are going to see all of that. Think about it. That is exactly how they played it with that call for Fiso Kuhle, the calls between Fiso Kuhle and Kelly. Then when Vodacom came, they proved that the time that they say Fiso Kuhle and Kelly had a phone conversation, it's the time that Arthur Mufokati and Kelly Khumalo spoke. And the second call, it was between Kelly Khumalo and Senzo Meyiwa, but they lied and said it is between Kelly Khumalo and Fiso Kuhle Ntuli. So think about that. One phone, two directions, same moment. You will see it again when the defense comes to show off the contradictions. That is not coincidence. That is not coincidence. That is not confusion. That is not contradiction. So let's wait. Maybe by the end of next week, I don't know, but Ramsipile said that Ubaloyi can take 10 weeks if he likes, because he knew that they are going to take forever because they have some cooking to do. And but when those tables are laid out, many people are going to be very uncomfortable because a lot will come out of that. A lot will come out of that because the data will speak for itself and it's going to shock all of you. People are going to get shocked because now it will expose everything. It will expose the fabrications, the lies, the cooking, the porticos, Alice, you will see. And I like that Ramsipile is so chilled about everything. He's so relaxed. He's like, let it all play out. And also, I like how I like how Undanzi is very much sharp and is very much awake also. Undanzi sees everything, notices everything, is asking questions, and is not just responding. He is like, what is this? Make me understand it. And then he responds. He does not just go into it and just respond, Jay. No, he asks questions so that he knows what he is dealing with. So I like that about him. And I'm happy that he's not just moving in a direction that is going to hang him. So phone records will collapse The state's case will collapse. We will see same call, same time. It's going to be chaos. And also, I already said we're going to perhaps have table A, table B, and the call logs they don't want you to see, you will see them. And the impossible calls will be exposed, and the defense will flip the script. They will flip the script, and it won't be nice because something does not add up, and the data tells the story. As the trial continues, a shocking contradiction will keep, or shocking contradictions will keep emerging. And we will see a lot of things where we will be so shocked to an extent that we're like, what kind of justice is this? What kind? So don't be shocked when you again see identical timestamps involving phone calls. You are going to see all of that. You are going to see all of that. You already see now that the burden of proof quietly shifted to the defense. Watch closely as the defense prepares to expose contradictions that could shake the entire Senzo case. You will see it's going to happen. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? I want to hear your views. Let's talk in the comment section. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.